I go to the conference at the Maps Air Museum. Got airplanes all around. There's the museum. Hopefully we'll find some customers today. So wish me luck. Peace out.
That is now capturing where that drone is and any other aircraft in the area. As the drone starts coming down, see on the right-hand side or left-hand side of the building, the TV screen, that's the UV system that should pick it up with hailing, and it will start identifying that a supply drop is being made. It will tell you that the colors are spinning, it will highlight the word, says this is an unsafe aircraft. And then once the propeller stops spinning, it looks like this is now a safe aircraft to approach. And then we have my autonomous beautiful MASH out there.
That was his order. What are you talking about?
The order
while the exhaust was also blowing, and you've got trim corners.
So we just finished up the conference and it was really great. Made some connections. Didn't find too many customers per se, but might find an avenue to do some drone training courses for high schools and middle schools in America, in Ohio. So that was great. Learned a lot about drones in the new field, but look at all those planes back there. It's a really cool museum. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll have some people reaching out and making some appointments and whatnot. So see you later.